Time to strike a pose, bitches and luxury lovers and investors. LVMH just dropped their Q4 earnings, and the results are a mixed bag. The good news, they beat expectations. The bad news, fashion and leather goods are slipping. So what's happening with the world's biggest luxury brand? Is LVMH still a safe bet in the luxury sector? What's dragging them down? And where are they thriving? And most importantly, is luxury making a comeback in 2025? Let's go ahead and break this bad boy down. So when we look at the numbers, we have total revenue of 84.7 billion pounds, which is down 1% year over year. In Q4 growth, we had a 1% gain, and that was beating expectations of a 2% loss. Fashion and leather goods were down 1%. Perfumes and cosmetics were up 2%. Watches and jewelry were up 3%. And wine and spirits, took a tumble, losing about 8%. Not exactly record-breaking results. Even LVMH's CEO Bernard Arnault admitted, for once, I'm not going to announce record results, but 2025 is off to a good start. So what's the deal? Where's the growth? And where's the struggle exactly? So let's talk why luxury slowed down. China's consumer confidence is tanking. Asia sales are down 10% alone. Once the biggest luxury driver, but Chinese consumers aren't splurging like they used to. The US and Europe are holding it together. US sales are up 3%, Europe's up 4%, and Japan is up 8%, baby. And third, we have our post-pandemic luxury boom is coming to a close. 2020 to 2022 was all about revenge spending, but now consumers are getting picky. And fourth, wine and spirits were hit hard. Champagne held up, but cognac and spirits got crushed. CEO Arnault expects a 2-year turnaround with new leadership. So, is luxury dead? Absolutely not. But the easy money in luxury investing is over. So now let's talk about where LVMH is winning. Tiffany is shining. Sales are up 9% in Q4, and the CEO says Tiffany and Louis Vuitton kicked off January with double-digit growth. Dior is outpacing its competitors. Arnault quoted, among couture houses, Dior has had the best performance in 2024. While some brands struggle, Dior is still a power player in the game, baby. And Sephora is an absolute beast. Selection retailing is up 7%, and Sephora continues to dominate the beauty retail sector. While some areas struggle, these divisions are holding the company together. So now let's look at the stock check. LVMH is down 13% in 2024, but up 18% year to date in 2025. Is the momentum coming back here? And it regained the title of Europe's most valuable company. The analyst take is Jefferies is saying LVMH is the real indicator of luxury sector health. And Bernstein analyst Lucas Solka is the worst is finally behind us. The final verdict, if you believe in long-term luxury demand, LVMH is still a strong player, but China's weakness is a real risk. So the final takeaway here is this worth buying? Our bullish case is saying still the biggest luxury powerhouse in the world, strong brands like Dior, Tiffany, and Sephora, and Europe and US are holding demand steady. But on our bear case, we're looking at China's slowdown is real. Luxury spending isn't as quote unquote easy as before, and wine and spirits business needs a serious turnaround. What do you think? Will LVMH bounce back or struggle in 2025? Go ahead and drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more market breakdowns, and I will see you in the next earnings breakdown.